Hi dear students and respected teachers. So today I am going to discuss uses of lenses and refraction of light. So first of all, refraction of light. Refraction of light means when a ray of light enters from one medium to another medium, it bends towards or away from the normal. This bending of light when it enters from one medium to another medium is known as refraction of light. Now, the first application is very important. Sun is visible to us before its actual sunrise and after its actual sunset. How it is visible? Suppose this is our earth, E. Now, this is the horizon, and suppose O is the observation point. We are standing here. We are seeing the sun from this point. Since surrounding the earth there is atmospheric air, and the density of air just above the surface of earth is more than away from the surface of earth. It means when sun is below the horizon, sun is to rise, then rays from sun are coming from rare to denser medium. So when light travels from rare to denser medium, it bends toward the normal. So it means light coming from space, that is from rare to denser medium, it bends like this toward the normal. Again from next layer it bends. So a number of multiple refractions takes place when light reaches to us on earth. So this ray appear to be coming from this point instead of this. It's coming from this point. Other rays are coming from this directly. So it means we are seeing sun at S dash, which is the apparent position of sun. This is the real position of sun. This is the apparent position of sun. You can say the image of sun. That's why sun is visible to us before its actual sunrise. So this takes about 2 minutes approximately. Similarly, due to same reason, sun is visible after its actual sunset. So this is due to refraction of light in the atmosphere, or you can say it is due to atmospheric refraction of light. That's why the day becomes longer by about 4 minutes approximately due to this refraction of light. That's why sun is visible before its actual sunrise and after its actual sunset. At that time we can see the sun, we can look at the sun directly. We cannot look at the sun when it is actually rising or actually visible during the daytime. Now second, depth of swimming pool appears to be less. This is again due to refraction of light. For example, this is swimming pool and this is the bottom of swimming pool. O lies at bottom. Then rays are coming out normally. When ray comes out normally from one another medium, it goes through the medium undeviated. Another ray which goes at some angle, traveling from denser to ray medium, bends away from the normal, making R greater than I. So it appears to be coming from this point. So it means the image of object O is O dash. It means O dash is the apparent position of the real object O. So that's why depth of swimming pool appears to be less, or the bottom of swimming pool appears to be raised. So this is again due to refraction of light. Third example, you can say a straight rod lying in water containing in a tub, so appears to be bending. Suppose water in a tub, so again the principle is same. A stick or rod lying in the tub, so this point is raised upward. due to refraction of light gains. So similarly, every point of the rod appears to be raised. As a result, it looks like this. It appears to be bending at the surface of water. So a straight rod appears to be bending when we look at when it is lying in a water contained in a tub. So this all is due to refraction of light. So three applications. Number one, sun is visible before its actual sunrise and after its actual sunset because of refraction of light. Second, depth of swimming pool appears to be less than its actual depth. So due to refraction of light. Third, a rod appears to be bending lying in water in a tub due to refraction of light. So these three examples explain the refraction of light in daily life. Then uses of convex lens. Now convex lens and concave lens have many uses. Sometimes we use convex and concave lenses in combination. So I will get separated use of convex lens and concave lens. Number one, to correct far-sightedness or hypermetropia, the vision defect of eye, human eye. So to correct far-sightedness or hypermetropia, we use convex lens. As a magnifying glass used by jewelers, watchmakers because it magnifies the small objects. In cameras, convex lenses are used. In microscopes and telescopes, everywhere convex lenses are used. In projectors to get magnified image of picture. In human eye, because our human eye contains a natural convex lens. So when natural convex lens gets defected, then we use convex lens as to correct our vision in human eye. Concave lenses are used again to correct myopia. This is nearsightedness. To correct myopia, nearsightedness, I will explain these defects, myopia and hypermetropia, in defects of vision in human eye. In all binocular and telescopes, concave lenses are used. In flashlights to spread light on larger area, so concave lenses are used. In microscopes, everywhere. To diverse laser, so to diverse laser in some experiments or in some devices, so concave lens is used. In peepholes of doors, so to see the outside view without opening a door. Without opening the door, we use peephole in doors, and which is concave lens, because it is a diverging lens, so it increases the field of view and we can watch or outside without opening the door through this peephole. So these are the uses of convex lens, concave lens and refraction of light. So in case you like my videos, like my way of teaching, kindly subscribe my channel and share it with your friends, classmates, colleagues. Thank you. Khush raho. All the best. Be happy.